ये हो गई।
Very energetic evening to MD sir and chairperson Sayyeda ma'am and esteemed teachers, parents and the beautiful audience and the lovely participant in CBSE competition, CBSE competitive school Mohania, Kaimur. The best and ranked one school in Mohania, Kaimur. I am Mohammad Afsar Sami, BTech Aerospace Engineer. We are gathered here to open discussions in chemistry. So let's start the introduction of participant. Please introduce.
Good morning everyone. Good evening everyone. Myself Alia Mavis from Standard 8.
Myself Manisha Yadav from Standard 8.
Myself Sara from Standard 8.
Myself Salia Mara from Standard 8.
Myself Ankur Kumar class 8.
Myself Ayush Padal from class 8.
Myself Ashish class 8.
Myself Okay, so total 8 participants in chemistry debate today. So let's start the debate. Question will be, there are 3 types of question. One should be MCQ and second one will be question answer session and third one JEE Mains and lead level question. Okay, numerical question. So first MCQ level we will start. Samir, please. First question for you, Samir. In all the 3 states of water, that is ice, liquid and vapor, chemical composition of water is what? Chemical composition of water is option number A. Throw loudly, please speak loudly. Okay. Option number A, very different. Chemical composition of water in all the 3 states. Wrong. Okay, Ayush.
Option number B.
Option number B remains same. Yes, option number B is the right answer. Okay. Chemical composition of water will remain same whatever sources or whatever its physical state. Okay. Next question for Ashish Singh. Which of the following is not a property of gas? Ashish Singh.
Option A.
Gas have definite shape. Okay, right answer?
No,
Gas
sir.
don't have definite shape. Okay. So
Yes.
option number A is the right answer.
सर वहाँ पे लिखा है गैस हैव अ डेफिनिट शेप, ये तो गलत ना है। गैस का शेप कहाँ होता है डेफिनिट?
क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है पढ़ो अच्छे से।
Yes, right answer is which of the following is not a property of gas?
अच्छा।
Okay. So option number A is the right answer. Question number 3 for Ayush. How many moles are present in 40 gram of helium?
Option number D.
Option number
D.
D. 10 mole. Okay, right answer. Next question for Ankur.
Carbon dioxide. B. A.
A form of water that has no fixed shape but has a fixed volume. An example
Fixed
of
value
this
बोला है।
matter is carbon dioxide.
बताओ फिक्स्ड वैल्यू
Carbon dioxide is
डी होगा
a
इसका आंसर।
J.
डी।
D. Kerosene.
हाँ केरोसिन।
But you give a first
सर नहीं अच्छा
time wrong answer. Huh?
अच्छा से नहीं रुका सर इसीलिए।
So you have to shoot carefully,
चले जाते हैं।
read carefully and then give answer. Okay. Next question for Alia. Question number 5. 46 gram of sodium is equal to.
Sir, option number C.
46 gram of sodium is equal to option number C, 2 moles. Okay, right answer. Next question for Manisha.
Option number C.
First rises and then become constant. When heat is constantly supplied by a burner to boiling water, then the temperature of water during vaporization first rises and then become constant. Okay. When heat is constantly supplied by a burner to boiling water, then the temperature of the water during vaporization does not rise at all.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Option number D.
Option number C is the wrong answer. Question number 7 for
D.
the formula of ammonium sulfate is D. NH2SO4 is the wrong answer. Okay, anyone can answer? Yes, Ashish Singh. Option number C. C. If you want to change, then please. Option number C is
A.
You tell, I don't know what.
A.
Option number A.
Yes.
Option number A is the wrong answer. Anyone?
Option number 2.
Option number B is also wrong. So only C. Okay, NH4 2SO4. So ammonium sulfate, valency of ammonium is 1 and sulfate is 2. So ammonium sulfate is NH4 2SO4. Okay. Next question for Sadia.
Solidity. Sublimation. Option number D.
The process in which solid is directly converted to vapor state is called sublimation. Okay, right answer. Next question for Samir. Question number 9. Which of the following correctly represent 360 gram of water? देखिए 1, 2, 3 or 4 option and then there is a ABCD option. Please select. Option number D. Okay. Option number D, 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4 is the right answer. Okay. Next question for Ashish. The solid which undergoes sublimation is option number C, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the wrong answer, Ashish. Okay. So I use
Option number B.
option number
B. Naphthalene.
Option number B, naphthalene. Okay, B, naphthalene is the right answer. Next for you again, 11. Which of the following phenomenon would increase on rising temperature? Which of the following phenomena would increase on rising temperature?
Option number C.
Option number
C.
C. Evaporation, diffusion, expansion of gases. Okay, right answer. Right answer. Okay. Next question for Ankur. Which of the following condition is most favorable for converting gas into liquid? Most favorable. Okay.
Option number C.
Option number
C.
C. Low pressure and high temperature. High pressure and high temperature.
Sir.
Low pressure, low temperature. Okay, option number C is a right answer.
Sir wrong होगा.
सर गलती
सर गैस
लो
से लिक्विड में जा
टेम्परेचर
रहा है.
हाई टेम्परेचर पे कैसे होगा? गैस इनटू लिक्विड कर रहा है.
Yes sir.
हाँ
Yes, gas into liquid. Okay, so
Sir.
wait. Option number C. Option number C is the wrong answer. Okay. Anyone can answer?
Yes sir.
Okay, Manisha, you tell.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
Option number
ए.
A, liquid.
C.
Gas into liquid. Okay, high pressure.
Low temperature.
Okay, option number A is the right answer.
Yes sir.
High pressure, high temperature. Okay. Option number
A.
A, high pressure, low temperature. Option number A is the right answer. Okay. Question number 13 for Arya. Which of the following contains maximum number of molecules?
Sir, option number A.
Option number A, 19 CO2. Never. Option number A is the wrong answer. So, would you like to tell? Option number B. Option number B is also wrong. Now I will go in audience. Audience, please. Option number C, 1 gram of hydrogen. Right answer, 1 gram of hydrogen is the maximum number of molecule. Okay. Next question for Manisha Yadav. Manisha, molecular mass is defined as the mass of one molecule of any substance compared with the mass of one atom of carbon-12, mass of one atom compared with the mass of one atom of hydrogen, mass of one atom compared with the mass of one molecule, none of the above.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
Option number A is absolutely right. Okay. Yes. Molecular mass of one molecule of any substance compared with the mass of one atom of carbon-12. Okay. Question number 15 for Swara.
All of the above. D.
D. The rate of evaporation depends upon all of the above. All of these is the right answer. Surface area, temperature and humidity. Okay. Last question for Sadia. The rate of diffusion of liquids is. Option number C, higher than the solid. The rate of diffusion of liquids is higher than the solid. Okay. Yes. Right answer. Okay, so now we will go second round. Question answer session. First question for Samir. Which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory can explain the law of definite proportions and law of conservation of mass? Please loudly. Postulate both law of definite proportions and law of conservation of mass. Okay. So what are you saying? Please. Postulate 3. What? Which postulate say about postulate 3? Means definite law of definite proportion or law of conservation of mass. I am saying about both the. Okay. Okay, no, you can say also postulate 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. You can also say in Hindi no issue. Okay. You can also say postulate number of postulates. Postulate 1, postulate 2, postulate 3, postulate 4, postulate 5. Postulate 3 is the wrong answer. Okay. Yes, Ankur, please tell.
लॉ ऑफ इंडिफिनिट प्रोपोर्शन 6 पोस्टुलेट का है, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास सेकंड पोस्टुलेट का है.
Yes. Law of definite proportion.
Law of
6 postulates. Okay.
law of conservation mass
Law of
2
conservation of mass.
Second
postulate. Okay. Right answer. Question number 2 for Ashish. State the law of conservation of mass and the law of constant proportions with example. Okay. First you explain and then. Ashish Singh. No. Okay. Ayush.
Law of conservation of mass is given by Antoine Lavoisier, and it states that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Yes. And second is law of constant proportion. It was given by Joseph Frost, and it states that a chemical compound always contains the same element which combine together in a fixed ratio by mass.
Yes. Right answer. Okay. Next question for you.
Yes, sir.
Ayush. Define the term valency and atomicity. What is the valency for magnesium and copper?
Valency is defined as the combining capacity of an element, and atomicity is defined as the total number of atoms present in a molecule. And the valency of magnesium is 2, and valency of copper is 2.
Any other? Right answer. So valency of copper is also 2. Okay. Valency of magnesium is 2 and copper
Also
1 and 2 both can be. Okay. So next question for Ankur. Define mole.
Mole.
Yes.
The mole is contained of particles 6.022 into 10 के पावर 23. मोल बराबर गिवन मास बटा में मोलर मास होता है.
Sorry. Repeat it.
The mole is contained particles 6.022 into 10 के पावर 23. मोल बराबर गिवन मास बटा में मोलर मास.
Mole equal to given mass
बटा में मोलर मास.
molar mass. Okay, but anyone can explain in proper way? Yes, Swara.
Mole is defined as a unit measurement of an element which contains the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles.
Yes. Okay, next question for Alia. Which postulates of Dalton atomic theory? Okay, sorry. This question repeats. Okay. Write down the formula of quicklime, aluminium chloride, sodium phosphate, and magnesium hydroxide. Write down the formula of quicklime, aluminium chloride, sodium phosphate, magnesium hydroxide. Okay. First, please say what first. First? No. Okay. Second?
2Al 2Cl3 और तीसरा का है 2Na2P4 और चौथा का MgSc.
No. Anyone can answer?
फर्स्ट का नहीं मालूम.
Right? You don't know. In audience?
फर्स्ट का नहीं मालूम है, बाकी तीनों का बता सकते हैं.
Okay, please.
सेकंड का Al2Cl3
Al2 Cl3, okay?
एंड थर्ड का Na2PSO4
Na2
PSO4.
PSO4.
हाँ. एंड फोर्थ का MgOH का होल ट्वाइस. MgOH का होल ट्वाइस.
Only 4 option. Only 4 is right answer. Second and third is wrong. Okay, audience. Yes, come here, please.
अरे भाई.
Not CSO4. CSO4 is also wrong. is also known as calcium oxide. Okay, so formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Okay, you can write aluminium chloride. Valency of chlorine is 3 and aluminium is 3 and chlorine is 1. So AlCl3. Sodium phosphate Na2PO4. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH all twice.
सर सोडियम फॉस्फेट का Na3PO4 होगा ना? यस सर.
Yes, Na3PO4. Sodium phosphate. 6. Discussion for you. Sodium oxide, select like sodium phosphide, magnesium, sodium sulfide, magnesium phosphide.
पहला का होगा NaOH का होल ट्वाइस.
Wrong answer.
दूसरा नहीं पता. तीसरा का NaSO2.
Na
SO2
also wrong.
और तीसरा का होगा MgPSO4.
Again.
सर दूसरा छोड़ के
Okay, so anyone can, yeah, okay. Left the second and then
फर्स्ट का होगा Na2O.
Na2O first. Okay, right.
थर्ड का होगा Na2S.
Na2S. Okay.
एंड फोर्थ का होगा Mg3P2.
Mg3P2. Okay, right answer. Okay, anyone can answer in audience. What is the formula of select like? No one can answer. Select like is also known as calcium hydroxide. Okay. So calcium and hydroxide. So chemical formula will be CaOH all twice. Okay. Next question for Swara. Write down the formula of Swara.
मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. एक डब्बे में मैक्सिमम कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हो सकते हैं? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो S में टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने रह सकते हैं? तो 3 टोटल. 3 डब्बे हैं तो मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने रह सकते हैं? एक डब्बे में 2 तो 3 डब्बे में 5 है. 5 पाए कितना मिलेगा? 2 पे एक डब्बे में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो 3 डब्बे में 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन.
Aluminium oxide, ferric oxide, sodium ethanoate, magnesium bromide.
फर्स्ट का Al2O3.
Yes, right answer.
सेकंड का हो जाएगा Fe2O3.
Right answer.
थर्ड नहीं पता.
Okay.
और फोर्थ का MgOH2.
Magnesium bromide, not
नहीं
hydroxide.
बस 2 मिनट. MgB.
Okay, in the participants.
सर
Yes.
Mg2Br.
Mg2Br. Mg2Br is the wrong answer. Okay, so in the participant, anyone can answer 4-3 and 4-4. Sodium ethanoate and magnesium bromide. No one. Sorry? Only 4. Only 4. Anyone can answer? 4. You and you. Okay. So please tell.
MgBr. MgBr2.
Yes, MgBr2 is the right answer. Okay. And for sodium ethanoate, anyone can answer in the audience? No one can answer. CH3COONA. Sodium ethanoate. Okay. Okay, next question for you, Sadia. Sadia, define atomic mass unit and molar mass.
Atomic mass unit is defined as 1/12 mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope.
Yes.
Molar mass. Molar mass of a substance is the 1 mole of that substance. Mass of 1 mole of that substance.
Say again clearly.
The molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of that substance.
Yeah. Right answer. Okay. So this round is also over. So now we will go in third round and final round for NEET and JEE. Okay. Question number first for you. One and a half 30 seconds will be enough. So I will give you 1 and 30 seconds. Okay, Ayush has solved the question. This question asked in PMT, means NEET 2009. Okay, Manisha and Ankur also solved. Option number B, 4 more. Yes, option number B is the right answer. Please clap for submit. Okay, next question for Ashish. Okay. The number of atoms in 4.25 gram of NH3 is approximately. Okay.
यहाँ पर
0.25 gram of NH3 is approximately. Okay, Ayush has solved, and then Manisha. Option number A. Option number A is the wrong answer. So yes, Ayush.
Option number D.
Option number D. Yes, option number D is the right answer. Please clap for Ayush. Next question for Ayush. Choose the incorrect formula out of the 4 compounds given below for an element X. Okay. Choose the incorrect formula out of the 4 compounds given below for an element.
Option number D.
Option number
D.
D. XPO4. XPO4 is the wrong answer. So in the participant, yes, Satya.
Option C.
Option C is also wrong answer.
Option number A.
Option number A is also wrong answer. So option number B will be right. You can check also. Chlorine have valency 1. Okay. So X will be whatever X will be. Okay. So here valency of X will be never 2. Okay. So option number B is the right answer. Okay. Next question for.
सर ऑप्शन नंबर डी में PO4 का भी वैलेंसी तो 3 होता है.
Sorry.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी में PO4 का वैलेंसी भी 3 होता है, तो X3 होना चाहिए था.
PO4
का वैलेंसी 3 होता है, -3 होता है, पर हम लोग 3 लेंगे इसमें.
Yes, also PO4 phosphate have valency 3, but if you can put here aluminium, then what you will get? You can get AlPO4. 3 will be cancelled out. Okay. So option number D will not. Option number D is wrong. Option number B is the right answer. Okay.
Yes.
This question asked in JEE Maths
Yes, sir.
online 2015. Okay. Next question for Ankur.
Option number C.
Option number C. Option number C is the wrong answer. Anyone in the participant? Yes, Sadia.
Option number A.
Option number A is also wrong answer. Okay, so Pami, yes. Yes, option number B is the right answer. Please clap for her. Okay. 45. Next question for Alia. Number of atoms in the following samples of substances is the largest in? Don't have too much time. Option number C. Option number C is the wrong answer. So, yes, Manisha.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
Option number A. Option number A. 4 gram of hydrogen. 4 gram of hydrogen is the right answer. Please clap for her. Next question for Manisha. Okay, Ayush has solved. Which one of the following has maximum number of atoms? 1 gram of silver, 1 gram of magnesium, 1 gram of oxygen, or 1 gram of lithium? Masses is given, total mass of all the elements.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
Option number A. Option number A is the wrong answer. Yes, Ayush.
Option number D.
Option number D. Yes, option number D is the right answer. Please clap for it. Next question for Swara. The number of water molecule is maximum in Okay, Ayush has solved. So I will go first to Ayush, and then I will go with Samir, and then I will go in order.
Option number B.
Option number
B.
B. B. B for ball. B for ball. Okay. 18 gram of water is the wrong answer. So Ayush, please.
Option number C.
Option number
C.
C. 18 moles of
Water.
Okay. Yes. 18 moles of water has the maximum water molecule.
Yes.
Okay. 18 mole. In 18 gram, there is only 1 mole.
Yes, sir. 1
Yes,
NA.
sir.
1.8 gram, 1
Yes,
upon 10 mole, and 18 molecules. So 18 molecules.
Yes.
Okay. So option number
C.
C is the right answer. Last question for Sadia.
Maximum number of
first I will go with ions and then I will go with alcohol.
Option number C.
Option number C, which has the maximum number of molecules among the following. So option number C